So here I'm discussing about that this video how to upload your website, how to share on your Facebook page. The reason there are two advantages. One is called the video shared by our website to be shared by our Facebook page. At the time we generate the two traffic, YouTube and website. Now here, first of all, take this video here. The URL. Go to admin panel. Click for submit. This is my site. Okay. Now click for admin here. In this one, I can go option call is videos. Add new video. First of all, copy the video URL. Now, you can give for title. Just adding the title and description. Category will be, what is that? Digital marketing training. Click for submit. Done. Go to your website, videos, click for digital marketing training. Now click this option. First, copy this title. Here, they can show will be three icons: Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus. Here, once appear video here, just refresh this one. The video appear. When you click this one, automatically video will be play. And second thing will be I can promote my website URL also. Now here's now click for it go Facebook. Now here image is not appear. Yes or no? Now once close it. Once again refresh. The very important call is image appear is the must and should important. Now click here for title. In this one I can go option call is total 5 options are there. One is called your timeline. Second, your friends timeline. Suppose you can share your content your friends timeline where your Facebook friends profile page wall. That is the second option. You share groups, events, share on your pages. Now click this option. Here n number of pages are there. Select your page. Now click. Here very important call is hashtag. Hashtag purpose is trending on your topic. Now here. This is called hosting related. So I'm clicking for tell by the Digital Rakesh. Why I'm writing for Digital Rakesh? My page name is Digital Rakesh. Now clear. I'm selecting for page posting here. Now click for post to Facebook. Done. Here two advantages. One is called promote your website. Second will be video. If anybody come into your page, just scroll down. Remember, always arrow will be up, not further down. Scroll down here. Done. Clear. If anybody click, one is come my website traffic, second will be my video traffic here. Is it clear? This is called sharing video on the Facebook page. Where? Through website. That is called the advantages. Facebook likes and website traffic, video views. So your post is done. Now clear? This is called you can increase your likes, website traffic and YouTube views. We're using for option for YouTube to website, website sharing to Facebook page.